name is Kate. I'm really grateful to be part of this training because it's actually opened my eyes to know things about this poultry, everything. Initially, we do some of this training, some of this poultry stuff when we're in Lagos. Myself, my siblings, and even when my parents relocated back home here, my mother was into it. She has a little idea of how to make some of these fish, but she never knew that she could make use of some of these plants in their drinkers and also in their food. So it actually gave us an edge that okay, we can also improve, the qualities of our stock. By introducing some of these natural, instead of spending more money on drugs, vaccination, by having to cut down some of these plants that we have, because even we have some backyard gardening, we have just bitter leaf and so this training actually opened my eyes to a lot of benefits that we actually have in our compound that we never knew this could be of help to our chicken. So at the training every day I get more and I go back home to tell her I learned this, I can do this, and she was happy that you actually went for this training because now you are cutting down on buying drugs and vaccinating. We have alternative going organically to
So how would you advise those that were not part of this training? What would you tell them?
My advice is going to be at least, most of these opportunity at times comes once in a while, and some people will say opportunity miss, but I won't believe that it's miss. I believe something like this may actually come up some other time, and even if I'm still in Delta, I'm not sure I'm going to miss it because I know I'm going to learn one more or two things to add that will improve the investment we are going into on poultry.
Okay, so what do you have to tell Abundance of Hope Initiative for bringing this training to Delta?
I want to tell Abundance of Hope, thank you for a job well done. And actually, I'm still going to thank them on behalf of myself and my mother, especially, that you made our work easier by making her to know that she can actually use these plants in our garden to take care of our pets. So thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.